In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn picture into video in Higgsfield AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a single image and bring it to life with motion using Higgsfield's built-in tools, even if it's your first time. Start by opening your browser and going to higgsfield.ai. This is the official homepage where you'll access all of the creative tools. Once the site loads, look at the top navigation bar and hover your mouse over the video option. Hovering reveals the video creation area, so you can jump straight into the tool you need without digging through menus. Next, click Create Video. This takes you to the video workspace, where you'll connect your picture, your idea, and the AI model that turns it into motion. You should see controls for adding an image, writing a prompt, choosing a model, and generating your result. Click Upload Image. Choose the picture you want to animate and then click Upload. For best results, pick a clear, high-quality image with a well-defined subject. Faces should be sharp, edges should be clean, and the background should support the action you want. Simple compositions tend to animate more convincingly than cluttered scenes. Common formats like JPG and PNG work well. Now type your prompt. This is where you tell the AI what kind of motion and style you want. Be specific and action-focused. For example, describe what should move, how it should move, and the mood or atmosphere. You might mention gentle camera movement, the direction of motion, lighting, or the overall vibe. The more clearly you describe the movement you want, the more accurate the result. If you're unsure, start simple with one or two motions and a tone, then refine later. Choose a model that fits your goal. Different models can lean more realistic, cinematic, or stylized. If your image is a photo and you want natural motion, pick a model known for realism. If your image is artwork and you want a more expressive transformation, choose a more creative style. Matching the model to the source image often produces cleaner animation. When you're ready, click Generate. The system will process your request and create the video from your image and prompt. This can take a moment, depending on complexity. Once it's done, play the result and see how your picture came to life. If something looks off, adjust your prompt for clarity or intensity and generate again until it matches your vision. That's it. Your picture is now a video with motion crafted by Higgsfield AI.